college 20 February kajing petip namta gitu kiba apply namta ka post community field coordinator te ka list namta ki bolong eligible but ki bomlong eligible namta ban tho namta ka written test kilami te sa check ikatang yung phi lada philong eligible sapan khre ka tarik namta ka written test kandai ha ka 3 August arjar apply at 10 am in Regional Health Family Welfare Training Center Health Complex Lai Umkra piaban reporting kandai sitang men step kan ha tang ki belong eligible kila ban late to exam ki long eligible kinam la ban late okay to eligible la jing hun hepstar Enrika Wanda Shisha Enable Naljina Ivan Chimti eligible subject to verification haban verify okay Elizabeth Wesley Kraukopar Henisha Kipon Noftan Barisha Mebarika Pinhunlang Yalam Makraw Hila ban check ikatang yung phi na po ka website makehealth.gov.in Erabiang kilan pensuglin okay these are all eligible Lana Ipasa eligible so you kindly check your name if you are eligible or not Shivalin Darimika Lasudika Daki Bashisha okay this is all eligible Barcelona Bare Ibandalin Darihunwar eligible so kini pat kinam submit document one shy hun dotrong nor 11 document includes namren dimiat nor 11 document includes no experience certificate includes okay checkam and sangma that mean if you submit the document you are eligible if you are not submit that mean you are not eligible layaman lingdo tongkar not eligible as less experience kumine way kimlong eligible nomor ba dunaga experience kita idai haban submit shwa lara pila submit un pinlong eligible lara film submit ba pinlong not eligible tegine evde not eligible banisha wandarka moflang not eligible so check igane na po ka website makehealth.gov.in not eligible Kermika one rehawk not eligible not 11 documents not 11 qualification not eligible kit boklang wadur not 11 qualification not 11 document and no experience devoted ablang kamai sanjay sangma okay kindly check your name Jingjang not eligible Dinesh Jehring Ragram Sakalchi Larisha Sandrek Mafi Shisha not eligible Sentresa not eligible so these are the not eligible candidate Harry Kingston Gettenberg Rincador Shelson Menjurlang not 11 documents not eligible no experience kibom non experience Kintu Burom Tupru Evajana Balsang not 11 document not 11 documents not eligible 19 July no experience not okay so this also same thing bon mahagi bomlong eligible Sunday Star Rahul Trisang Sangma not 11 document enclose claim enclose iki document Owel Nongrom lesson experience severely lingdo experience not relevant Levan Kidekhar One Puram Anile Sangma Hendrik and Sangma not eligible lesson experience not eligible kindly check your name if you are eligible or not namtaka written exam Suyai Bharing claim Harrison Khongjo not 11 documents not 11 not eligible lesson experience not eligible lesson experience not eligible so this many are them are not eligible Ibapandapon Panwa not eligible lesson experience okay these are not eligible candidate Himan Kumar Jain not eligible Samad Khan not eligible these are not eligible Sam Kupar James kindly check your name lesson experience kiba apply nam ta kane ka post ape ji katang ki jong phi la phi don ne ma ka list ka balong eligible so check ye gi jingnon kam haban dei ban nam ta kane ka exam kon der pratrik jong nai gos not eligible okay a list of select the candidate for the written test for the post field engineer is scheduled on the 20 August at 11:30 in Regional Health Family Center Complex reporting time 11 am tekine bre gan ka reporting time la ka jong ma kite bana jrong ka reporting time kini 9:30 then this list will be the reporting time will be 11 am and the written exam will be at 11:30 am Amjesla Pasam Kerwinston Thomas Walman Shungailang Darisha Israel Therban okay 11 check ikatang Greek Sang Moonstar Mag event this all eligible candidate Boklang Kantiulang Danica Brian Sar these are all eligible candidate Tegan Vanker Ragu Nos Vanker Lang Robot Kenkor Junjun Davante Demonhi Victor Marisha Aljoy Wanbor Konitoy Benny Karimjat. Yes, are all eligible candidate. Galan Star Ferdi Olambok Ronaldo Yurika Shubansuk Jenistar Romeos Balajit Janet Bantainam Mebalam Ki Kid Boklang Steve Harris. Okay, Steve Harris not eligible. Knaipsan Kid Blangdok eligible Nikinepo not eligible. Sapej by Ikitang Lade Ignatius Pasi Balarinong True not eligible. Atho Bank tu not eligible mo kan mau. Yuan Mi Thangi Bimarak not eligible. Yubiang Danish these are all not eligible. Generous Rosina Pranjal Rohit Kumar these are all not eligible. Pretty Silsi Chandan Dipak Rebecca not eligible. Aaron Pretty to sing Wanan Balan Shalom not eligible. Super Strong not eligible. Garen not eligible. Precious not eligible. All are not eligible. This Nebe Shapo Gemlong Bun not eligible. Nambok Lab Aiknang tu Mankit Bolang Nitush Balahun not eligible. Ngalahun not eligible. Arwakanigi not eligible. Dawanhun not eligible. Pinshai Borlang Pentamai Bor not eligible. Sunday Bor not eligible. Mickey Star Abhishek Sophistian Devalin Rangai not eligible. No proper documents. Claim submit by document Hakapor by not supporting document not eligible. The dimension moi ki believe him yo Vishan Vijay not eligible. So can notice alas only eligible candidates are to attend the written test mentioned above. Tang ki belong eligible kila bana ten yaga written test mo. Check ki kateng ke jong phi lada phi long eligible phi la bana ten lada phi mi not eligible phim la bana ten. Mudba kinum shai phi. Personal interview will be followed on the same day after declaration of result of the written test. Hakaju kasngi hi kin sa panlong yaga personal interview will be follow on the same day after declaration of result. They will declare the result maybe on the same day. So kinsa panna banat kinsa conduct yaka personal interview. Candidate are to bring along their original document for verification. Note the will be provided to the candidate. They will ra eki original document nam taban verification. Tagitu kibami hangte kibatho eligible tangba verification marba ki haban verify ki document haban ra ain. Tagitu kibla mention clearly but not eligible phimla ban lej. Budba phim long eligible kain te tangine jempdep wilshbon